Dear viewers, I feel a keen joy and pride to present Do Remember series of Dr.R.Abdul Hameed, educational videos of freedom fighters and patriots and noble personalities to remember them and their achievements. On much demand of my viewers of Yadgar series in Urdu to translate them into English, I have tried my best with a request to promote and subscribe my channel. The first episode in English is about Fathima Sheikh, whom Indian history has forgotten, the first Muslim woman teacher, educator, and social reformer, feminist icon, whom Google has honored with a doodle on her 191st birthday on 9th January 2022. I heartily thank Google for enlightening us with the feminist icon Fathima Sheikh. Fathima Sheikh. Fathima Sheikh is the first Muslim woman educator of India who started Beti Padhao movement in early 1840. Fathima Sheikh was the colleague of social reformers Jyoti-Rao Phule and Savitri-Bai Phule. Fathima worked for the upliftment of girls from poor and marginalized communities including Dalit and Muslims. She gave away her home to Jyoti-Rao and Savitri-Bai Phule to establish the first school for girls in India in 1848. Fathima Sheikh, alongside fellow pioneers and social reforms Jyoti-Rao and Savitri-Bai Phule, co-founded the Indigenous Library in 1848, one of the India's first school for girls. Fathima Sheikh was born on 9th January 1831 in Pune, Maharashtra. She lived with her brother Usman Sheikh. The siblings, brother and sister, opened their home to the Phules after the couple was evicted from attempting to educate pupils in lower castes. The Indigenous Library opened under the Sheikh's roof. Here, Savitri-Bai Phule and Fathima Sheikh taught communities of marginalized Dalit and Muslim women and children who were denied education based on class, religion, and gender. As a lifelong champion of this movement for equality, Sheikh went door to door to invite the downtrodden in her community to learn at the Indigenous Library and escape the rigidity of Indian caste system. She met great resistance from the dominant classes who attempted to humiliate those involved in this Satya Shodak movement, but Sheikh and her allies persisted. The Indian government shone new light on Fathima Sheik's achievement in 2014 by featuring her profile in Urdu textbooks along with other trailblazing educators of her time. While caste issues and female education, Beti Padhao continue to be discussed even today in the country. Many years ago, Fathima Sheikh had challenged these prejudices to envision a more progressive and inclusive society. The trio, Fathima Sheikh, Jyoti-Ba Phule, and Savitri Phule, worked relentlessly to focus on issues of caste, sati, female empowerment, widow remarriage, intercaste marriage, and education. Fathima Sheikh was considered to be a feminist icon, and in pre-independent India, she had to fight social ostracism and discrimination to bring about the change in the country. Fathima Sheikh would take up causes she believed in, like co-founding the Indigenous Library in 1848, which was India's first school for girls along with the Phules. Fathima Sheikh was hailed as the first female Muslim teacher of the country who was passionate about starting education for Dalits and Muslim children in Phule's school. The trio, Fathima Sheikh, Jyoti-Ba Phule and Savitri Phule, were aware of the caste and gender blocks that existed in India at the time and continue to exist even today, and focused on the downtrodden and backward communities that were denied rights and education like Dalits, other backward classes, and Muslim women and children. Fathima Sheikh was so driven that despite the social animosity that she faced for speaking up, she would go door to door to urge people to get educated at the indigenous library to escape from the clutches of the caste-based discrimination. The efforts that she put in working alongside the Fules to provide opportunities to those born in the lower caste got recognized as Satya Shodhak Samaj movement, truth seekers societies. Let me conclude with these words. Let us celebrate 9th January, the birth anniversary of Fathima Sheikh, and salute her unflinching will to bring about reform in the face of resistance. A grand salute to the great revolutionary Fathima Sheikh. Thanking you all. Abdul Hameed.